YouTube, welcome back guys. So today I'm going to show you guys a quick tutorial real quick in regards to autofill and also how to bypass Supreme's credit card decline error message. So let's go ahead and get it started. You want to go ahead and use your Google Chrome as your web browser. And as you can see on the upper right hand corner, you can see the three dots. Right there, you can customize and then control Google Chrome. You want to go ahead and click on it. And you want to go under settings. So click on setting. And if you're not signed in, make sure you sign in with your account. So if you're not signed in, just click on sign in again. And it should show your email address and then click on next to sign in with the password. Once you sign in, you want to go to autofill right here. And you want to click on payment method. Click on the arrow on the right hand side. You want to click on save and fill payment method. If it's off like this, make sure you turn it on. And payment method, click on add. You want to go ahead and enter the name on the card, and then right here you want to see, and then right here you want to click on your credit card or enter your credit card. Let's see, it's a 12-digit. And then I enter the expiration date, okay? And then you want to click on save. Alright, so once you have your credit card store ready, you want to go back and then click on address and more right here. If save and fill address is off, you want to go ahead and turn it on again and click on add. You want to enter your name. Then right here, you're going to click on city. And then you're going to click on the country, United States, and then phone number and email. Or just enter everything and then click on save, okay? So when you get into the Supreme right now, by the way, be sure you have a digital watch with the seconds countdown, so you know when it exactly hits 8 o'clock Pacific Standard Time or 11 o'clock Eastern New York Time, okay? And you want to go ahead and then click on shop. Normally I like to go ahead and then view all real quick. And then before the drop, normally I like to click on new, okay? And then I'm going to copy the URL. Command C. Normally I like to open like 1, 2, or 3 pages. So I copy over here, which is a control Command V, and then enter. So in case one of this page got froze, I have another page to get the stuff that I want right away. Okay. So for example, well, these are sold out right now. So for example, you add this to the cart. So during the drop, don't worry, it runs very slow. You only need to click on one time. Some other user or like me before, I keep on clicking, and I guess the Supreme website thought I'm like a bot, so it kicks me out or something. So just click on one time, then click on checkout. So right here, you enter, once you type it in or everything got stored with the autofill, you should have your address and everything displayed right here. I know I didn't enter the thing correctly. So just give an example right here. And make sure you click on save address for future order. And then right here, you just type in anything. And you want to go ahead and click on this CVV. CVV is not autofill anyway, so, and after that, you're going to be sure to click on I have read and agree to the term and condition, and then proceed to checkout. Doing the drop, if it's heavy traffic, this one will take a while. And then once you jump into the next page, most likely either the street with the description that's saying the item is sold out, or you're gonna, most common one is a credit card decline. I'm gonna have like a couple of like 3 different video doing the live drop, so be patient. It's not me if moving too slow or clicking the mouse too slow. It's the actual live copying that you're gonna see on the next couple of the videos. And then don't blame me for the slowing website. That's the actual drop caused by many user or bots or robots. By the way, I don't use any other bots or robots. All my stuff that I copy is manual copying. I was glad that I copied one of the box logo crew neck doing previous drop, regular copying. So hopefully you guys enjoy the videos, and be sure to hit the subscribe button, turn on the bell for notification, or drop any comments on below. Thank you for watching. I'll see you guys on the next one. Like always, peace, and enjoy the live copying video.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Alright, so this is a clip of me trying to cut this Motolove kids skateboard deck. As you can see, everything is pre-filled, and then all I need is internal CVV, and I have agree internal condition. And now I'm clicking process payment, and then you get this message.
So the system froze. Not sure what the hell's going on. I guess the bots.
So it says credit card decline.
Control my keyboard. What the heck?
Now I'm stuck with the frozen page. That's why you want to have a couple of pages. In case one gets stuck, you could open another page right away to purchase the item that you wanted. So right here, I'm processing, enter my CVV code and my credit card information again real quick. And now I'm clicking the process payment. So if you get a credit card decline, don't worry, you just need to click on back button on your web browser and then add to cart again. That's how I bypassed the credit card decline. So now you see I got it.
4, 3, 2, 1.
So this one I'm trying to
So what is the new stuff right now?
This one I'm trying to cut the shoulder bag for the Nike. So as you can see, I click on checkout now, and this one's faster. So as you can see, I get this credit card
decline, and then go back and add it again.
So I just need to click on back button and then add to cart again and then check out. And then you see next. kind of lagging to check out. So, boom.
See? Wow. So now I know the tricks. Let me see. Okay.
So right here's another page that I saved. So I could go there right away instead of clicking back. And this time I'm trying to get the flashlight. This one is the Supreme Pelican 3310PL.
$60 for flashlight.
Right here, I can't believe it. I was checking on eBay, see how much is resale value, and then doing some research before I purchase it. So you can see it's 85, 110, depends on certain seller. So now I go back to the page, try to determine if I should buy or not. So I click on process payment already, made me thinking about maybe it is sold out.
Again?
So I keep on saying credit card decline every time I check out. So I add to cart again, and then I click on checkout again.
This is live copying, okay? So not fast forwarding or anything in the video. What?
So I see I got it.
But I think that's enough because I cut 2 stuff already, so very expensive. 2, 1. I click on new. So I think the system froze. So that's why that. So you gotta get a credit card decline, then you gotta hit back, add it to the card again. Oh my god, now this time it's sold out.
Well, because it's a size small. Most of the item size small is sold out quickly on the t-shirt, so. So anyway, the credit card decline is not because of the address ban, credit card ban, IP ban, or bot detection.
So I got that one. Lucky. Let's see. So yes, you see the system kind of freeze up still. Shows the bot or what?
Anyway, I also got a credit card decline on the purchase of the Zippo lighter. So I click on the back button and it works pretty nicely. So hopefully this will help you guys bypass this credit card decline error message from Supreme. Because nobody's talking about this, and after so many purchasing.
Wait so long. Okay, so I got the yellow one too.
So yeah, after so many times I've purchased and experienced this credit card decline, I finally figured out how to just click on back button, and that will solve your problem of credit card decline error message. Some other YouTubers saying they will have to wait like 20 minutes. That is ridiculous. So all you need to do is just click on back button and then select the size and add to cart again. All right. Hopefully you guys enjoyed this video.